Hey everyone, it's Wednesday morning, July 2nd, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Quick note before we begin, today's episode is brought to you by AMF Capital. For smart investment solutions and high-quality funds, head over to amf-capital.de. If you enjoy the podcast, please rate it wherever you're listening, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already. All right, let's get to it. So, U.S. markets didn't exactly agree on a direction yesterday. The Standard & Poor's 500 slipped just a bit, down 0.1%, after briefly topping 6,200 for the first time on Monday. The Nasdaq had a rougher day, down around 0.7%, thanks mostly to a 5% drop in Tesla. And yeah, that's tied to Elon Musk and Trump butting heads again. Meanwhile, the Dow was the bright spot, gaining about 1%, mostly because healthcare stocks jumped. United Healthcare alone popped 4.5%. Now the big political headline? Trump's massive tax and spending bill cleared the Senate, but just barely. It was a 50-50 tie, broken by Vice President J.D. Vance. Republicans were up all night debating parts of the bill, including one amendment that actually struck down the ban on state-level AI rules. That's a big hit to tech companies, many of which were backing Trump on this one. The bill heads back to the House next. Trade policy is also heating up again. With Trump's reciprocal tariffs set to snap back into place on July 9th, the White House is dialing down its full-on trade agenda and trying to score some quicker, smaller deals with partners, at least for now. And of course, the Federal Reserve is still top of mind. Chair Jerome Powell spoke at an event in Sintra, Portugal, saying tariffs are making the Fed hold back a bit on cutting rates. Meanwhile, Trump keeps pushing for a dramatic cut, like 250 basis points kind of dramatic. Lastly, labor data. Job openings in May came in stronger than expected, but hiring and quit rates are still at super low levels. Economists are calling the labor market basically frozen. That's it for today's Capital Markets Quickie. I'll be back tomorrow morning with a brand new episode. Don't forget to subscribe, rate the podcast, and share it with your network. Thanks for tuning in.